I was running a number of restaurants in New York City, but my health was totally going downhill. And that's when I really realized I needed to adjust my lifestyle. So I started with food because that was the most obvious place to start. I'm not really a big fan of the idea of a diet. I'm much more in favor of creating a positive relationship with food. I think oftentimes when we think of healthy food, we get caught in that idea of healthy being a dirty word, that if it's healthy, it's not going to be delicious. Creating a dish that's both delicious and healthy is not a difficult challenge. There's no compromise. I think you can actually create indulgent dishes that are really rich in flavor, that are really rich in nutrients, that are loving you as much as you're loving them. I think it's great that we always look to a new year with these ideas of making changes and positive changes in our lives. Making a commitment to cook once a week, maybe twice a week, just getting together and committing to yourself and to your family and to your friends to cook gives you a moment to stop what you're doing, to move yourself out of your stressful daily life and to create a little sanctuary of a special meal. And I think that's one of the greatest things we can do.